Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom continues its legacy as one of the most stylish and dependable cruisers in the midsize segment. Known for its blacked-out aesthetic and minimalist bobber styling, the Shadow Phantom appeals to riders who prefer classic cruiser looks with modern reliability. For 2025, Honda has made subtle but meaningful updates to enhance the bike's performance, comfort, and visual appeal without losing its timeless charm. Powered by a tried-and-true 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, the Shadow Phantom delivers smooth and consistent torque across a broad RPM range. This engine has been tuned for strong low-end and mid-range power, making it ideal for relaxed cruising and city commuting alike. The fuel injection system ensures easy starts, even in cold weather, and optimal fuel efficiency. The 5-speed transmission offers smooth gear shifts, and the shaft final drive adds to the bike's clean, low-maintenance design. This setup makes the Phantom both beginner-friendly and rewarding for seasoned riders. The 2025 version retains the low-slung profile that gives it an aggressive presence on the road. With a seat height of just under 26 inches, the Shadow Phantom is easily manageable for riders of all sizes. The ergonomics are tailored for long-distance comfort, with slightly forward-mounted foot controls and a wide, low handlebar that promotes a relaxed riding posture. The revised seat padding offers better cushioning, making it more comfortable for extended rides. Visually, the 2025 Phantom stays true to its blacked-out theme but incorporates a few contemporary updates. Most chrome elements have been eliminated in favor of matte and gloss black finishes on the engine casings, exhaust, forks, and headlight housing. The revised fuel tank features a subtle new graphic treatment, and LED lighting is now standard across the board, including the headlight, tail light, and turn signals. These enhancements improve both safety and style while preserving the bike's retro appeal. The frame remains the same double cradle steel construction, providing durability and a solid base for a smooth ride. The front suspension uses traditional telescopic forks, while the dual rear shocks offer 5-step preload adjustability, allowing riders to fine-tune the setup based on their weight or riding conditions. The handling is predictable and stable, with a decent lean angle for casual cornering. Though not a performance cruiser, the Shadow Phantom offers enough nimbleness to handle urban traffic with ease and confidence. Braking performance is competent, with a single front disc brake and a rear drum brake. While some may prefer disc brakes at both ends, the setup is sufficient for the bike's weight and power. Honda has also added ABS as standard equipment in the 2025 model, enhancing safety without being intrusive. This makes the Phantom even more appealing to newer riders looking for a safer riding experience. Another area where the 2025 model improves is instrumentation. The analog speedometer remains mounted on the tank for that vintage look, but it now includes a small digital panel for added functionality, such as a trip meter, fuel gauge, and gear indicator. This blend of classic and modern keeps the aesthetic clean while improving usability. In terms of performance, the Phantom doesn't aim to be a high-speed cruiser. Its focus remains on relaxed, confident cruising with enough punch to overtake or handle highway speeds without strain. The engine's throaty sound adds to the cruiser vibe, enhanced by the dual exhausts that maintain a low, rumbling tone without being obnoxiously loud. For riders looking to personalize their bike, Honda offers a range of factory accessories, including saddlebags, windshields, and backrests. This makes the Phantom versatile, whether you're customizing it for weekend trips or daily commutes. Its overall simplicity also makes it a favorite for custom builders and those who want to make subtle modifications to match their style. The 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom strikes a near-perfect balance between classic cruiser styling and modern reliability. it remains an attractive option for riders who want a no-fuss, easy-to-maintain bike that looks great and rides comfortably. With its reliable V-twin engine, low seat height, clean design, and updated features like ABS and LED lighting, it continues to stand out in the mid-size cruiser